Hey, good morning. This is Jody from Azure, and this morning we're going to test out our Azure Clean Pure Castile Liquid Soap, the limiting formula that has like extra grease cutting activity in it, and with a popular grocery store brand. So we're going to get some bath cloths dirty, and we're going to see how it does. All right, let's get some tire grease. See if we can get some grass stains on here. Ooh. Just some little bit of tomato sauce. And this one. And I think we are all good and dirty. All right, we're gonna throw this one in. We're gonna throw in our grocery store brand. Just run a normal cycle, and away we go. Hey, I'm gonna put our other bath cloth in water. We're just gonna add like a tablespoon of the Castile Liquid Soap. We're just gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes and then we'll run it through the washer. All right, we've let this soak for about 15 minutes. I'm just gonna throw it all into the washing machine and run it on a regular cycle, and we'll see how it does. As you can see, we are nice, white, and clean using the Azure Clean Pure Castile Soap. And then another popular brand that you find at our grocery store. And you can still see we still have a little bit of stains left from the dirt that are still on here. But all in all, I will say very pleased with the results.